Meet Sivanto. Virus diseases cause heavy quality and yield losses in vegetable crops worldwide. Representative for most vegetable crops, tomatoes are affected by many viruses, including the most damaging and threatening virus for tomato production, tomato yellow leaf curl virus. It causes tomato yellow leaf curl disease, is phloem-limited, and is exclusively transmitted by the whitefly Bemisia tabaci in a persistent manner. There are no practicable healing options for virus-affected plants. All control measures are limited to the control of virus vectors. Meet Sivanto, Bayer's modern insecticide to control whiteflies transmitting viruses in tomatoes. In tomato plantations, fruits ripen until it's time to harvest them. To do this, tomato plants need sufficient nutrients, which travel through a transport system to the fruit. The most important supply lines are the xylem and the phloem. Bemisia adult whiteflies transmitting tomato yellow leaf curl virus are the biggest threat to the sophisticated system. The whitefly inserts its proboscis into the phloem of a healthy tomato plant in order to suck out the nutrients. If the whitefly is carrying the viruses responsible for the virus disease, it transmits them into the plant's transport system while it is sucking. Transfer of virus into the plant by phloem sap feeding requires 15 to 30 minutes. The whitefly flies away, but the viruses remain, continuing to spread into plant cells with the flow of nutrients. If a whitefly sucks at an infected tomato plant, it takes up the virus, which stays in the body fluid throughout the entire lifespan of the whitefly and carries viruses to the next plant. Visual symptoms of tomato yellow leaf curl virus appear in the plant 10 to 14 days after infection. Whiteflies are the main factor responsible for viral disease, flower abortion, reduction in fruit set and size, and symptoms on tomato fruits, causing non-marketability of the harvest. Bayer's Sivanto insecticide effectively protects tomato plants from virus transmission by fast disruption of feeding time. Sivanto has a direct effect on the plant's supply lines. When tomato plantations are treated with Sivanto, the active ingredient penetrates into the plant and spreads via the xylem. When a whitefly attacks the plant, its proboscis reaches the xylem first. Thanks to Sivanto, the whitefly stops sucking and flies away. Sivanto effectively protects tomato plants against attacks from whiteflies and stops virus transmission. The plants can grow with sufficient nutrients, form virus-free tomato fruits, and a healthy harvest.
Sivanto, growing in unison.